And why have I pre-ordered the Fujifilm X-T4? Now we're in the summer house, and probably a bit echoey, so we'll see how good I am at removing the echo. I've got another YouTube channel which I'll put up here. I've also got a couple of Instagram accounts, and one is smickphoto and one is at Innerlightuk. Now, Innerlightuk is really dedicated to macro, and smickphoto is other stuff. Now, I'm really confused about what Innerlightuk channel should be, and so anyway, it's mainly about Fuji stuff, and yeah, it's mainly about Fuji stuff. Yeah, I haven't posted on this channel for quite a while, and it's because I'm confused a bit what Innerlightuk channel should be. It's mainly about Fuji gear, I guess, but I don't know, perhaps you could put in the comments what we should concentrate on. Anyway, I'm doing this video, and I have pre-ordered the Fujifilm X-T4. Now, I've been with Fujifilm since the X-T1, X-T2, and now the X-T3, which is what we're filming on. So with the X-T4, I decided to pre-order, and my reasons are, I made a video quite some time ago about the X-T2, which I'll put up here again, and probably on the screen. And basically I said 4 hates of the X-T2. It wasn't really hates, it was things I wanted to see. And X-T3 come out, and that one of the things that I wanted to improve on was I wanted to have a touchscreen, and X-T3 we got a touchscreen, so that was one of the things. And the other thing was a flippy out screen, because I come from Canon APS-C 70D, I think it was, and had a flip out screen, and I really enjoyed that. And because the X-T4 has got a flippy out screen, and so the other two things, one was where I grip the camera and it annoyed me, the little thing on the side. Well, that doesn't seem to bother me on the X-T3, so whether they've moved that or moved some of the controls, I don't know. And the fourth thing was, what was the fourth thing? I don't know what the fourth thing was. It couldn't have been that important. But the X-T4 has also got IBIS. And again, that allows you to shoot video handheld and also still shots on a very lower sort of exposure, so you can reduce your exposure. But we're in lockdown at the moment, so if I get the camera, I can't go out, I can't take pictures, so yeah, so I think I'm still going to get it and practice at home, and hopefully when all this madness does go away eventually and our lives become more normal, whenever that may be, then I'll practice and I'll be able to take pictures. At the moment on my Innerlight Instagram account, I'm doing garden flower of the day, And on my other channel, I've just done a video which shows, well, which is sort of guard photography, really. So I may be continuing that theme. But let us know down below if you think there's anything on this channel that I should be doing. I've got lots of time now, and if this is not too echoey and I can't remove it, then we'll perhaps choose a different location. But I thought this location was away from everyone, near the odd bit of wind, but apart from that, it's fairly close. So please be kind, be safe, and we'll see you again next time.